Hello and welcome. Do you want healthier plants, bigger harvests, and fewer garden problems? It all starts with your soil. And today, I'm showing you the 90-second soil test every gardener needs to do. If your plants are struggling and you're not sure why, this super quick soil test can tell you everything from drainage to composition, without any fancy tools or lab reports. All you need is a jar, some water, and a little dish soap. Here's how it works. Scoop up about 1 cup of soil from your garden. Go at least 6 inches deep. Dump it into your jar, then fill the jar with water. Leave a little space at the top. Add a squirt of dish soap. It helps the particles separate. Put the lid on tight and shake it like a smoothie. 30 seconds. Now let it sit for a minute or two. And here's the magic. The soil will settle into layers. Sand at the bottom, then silt, then clay on top. The thickness of each layer shows you your soil type. If you see more sand, that means you've got fast-draining soil. More clay? Well, it holds water but can get compacted, which, can be a bit tricky. And if you spot a balance, that's highly valued loamy gold. Once you know your soil type, you can fix it with compost, mulch, or amendments, and your plants will thank you. If you learned something new, go ahead and like, and hit the subscribe button for more garden hacks in under 2 minutes. Oh, and don't forget to comment, Soil Smart, below. Healthy soil, happy garden. See you in the next one.